Yeah, them also call around as a red shop. Anybody come from around here, educate me and tell me why them call it red shop, see? Me hear some stories, but me don't know how true it be. But yeah, somebody say, they may have a red shop out there, so that's why they call it red shop. Me don't know how true that is. Me I tell you now. Yeah man, wanna Spanish Town garage to them this, you know? Yeah.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And guess what, people? We're actually on our way to Spanish Town, alright? Yes, my people. On our way to Spanish Town right now. Alright? Yeah. So we're currently in the town of Old Harbour, guys. Yeah, in Old Harbour. We kind of bypass the town a little bit because there is little bit of traffic and stuff. I don't know if this road is, you know, see a bicycle man, let me ask him real quick. I one way this. And that me I realize respect. And the next one, east, one I say, alright, bless up, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. Alright guys, so this is actually a one-way street, you know. Yeah, one-way street, guys. So what you are going now, we have to go take it on a road that we just see a while ago. Yeah. Guys, that was a one-way and the cops them out there. And right now in Jamaica we have some new traffic laws, you get me? Yeah, that's what we have right now. So here we are now, guys. I just want to shout out all of my new subscribers, them. Big up on yourself. Sorry for interrupt the introduction, you understand? Yeah. Alright, we have the AC running and all that, but we're going to wind on the window pretty soon and get the raw sounds from the streets, alright? Yeah. So as I say, we'll take a little shortcut and we'll bypass the traffic in the town because it's a whole heap of traffic, my people. Like, it was congested, you understand? Yeah. So I'm going to go here right now, go a Spanish Town, alright? And we're taking the old road. Alright, I'm turning on the AC. Taking the old road, guys. Alright, hold on, I'm drinking water too. Alright. I don't know if I can see. We're supposed to see the cops them, because I think I see the cops them. I think I see the cops them and thing. Alright. Alright, as you can see the traffic. I cause traffic right here. Yeah, the traffic will run along the road for going to the town this so cause a little congestion right here as well. You know? Hold on guys, so wine on the window. As soon as we go out on the road, I wine on the window. Alright? Yeah. So, as I was saying, yours truly 876 by birth. And you already heard that in the intro, alright? But just a reminder again, you understand, yeah, because we know the thing go, alright? Alright, so if it's the first time you're over here, first time you're seeing content from my channel, all I do is drive around Jamaica and I just talk. A lot of times we just make jokes and we just talk stuff. You know, some of them is just my opinion and all of that, you know? Yeah. And only thing I ask of you guys to do is be respectful over here, you understand? Feel free to comment and share your opinion as well, you understand? Let me silence my phone because it's making a whole lot of noise right now. Whole heap of notification coming in, alright? Yeah. And also guys, I just want to shout out my new subscribers. Yo, my subscribers, them big up on yourself, new people, welcome, welcome, welcome. You understand? Yeah. And my regular degla them, my regular peeps, big up on yourself, you understand? Yeah, people like, hold on, I'm not for calling you, I'm gonna get no problem, you know. Alright, so here I'm gonna do it. My people them from Canada, you understand? Yeah, my people them from in a USA, my people them from in a UK, people them from Africa side, people from Russia, people from Guam. Listen, like everybody will watch this. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Cyprus people and the people them from Africa. Yo, big up on yourself, you get me? Yeah, and the cops are right up there, people. Them post up on the wall. Yeah, them post up on the wall. So if it ever go up, them in a problem. You get me? Yeah. So as I can see, there's traffic coming in, little congestion coming in into the town. As me mentioned, I think I have another video, whole Harbour video, and as I mentioned, like it's just like every town center in Jamaica. Once you're approaching the town center or the city area, you know, you are gonna experience a little bit of delays because the town is congested, you know. A lot of taxi, a lot of buses, a lot of people walking and stuff. So kinda add to the little congestion, you understand? But nothing major, nothing too bad. A nice road you have same way a drive going at Old Harbour or a drive come out at Old Harbour. Really good thoroughfare, you get me? And out here so them a do a little bit of widening of the road and stuff because this bridge here is it's a bit narrow. Yeah, like 2 trucks can't even pass on there, you get me? 2 buses are passing really close. So kudos to them. I like this. I like to see them look at development here, you know, look improvement here. Go on. Yeah man, it's a good luck, you understand? Yep. So I make a way now, we are going in a Spanish town, my people. In a Spanish town, alright? This man like him do want to walk out in a road. So yeah, we're making our way. You get me? Yeah man, that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so we're winding on the window now. Yeah. And we turn off the AC, you know? Yeah. Yeah, my people. So what's up? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing okay. Like, once you're hearing my voice or, you know, you're looking at this video, I hope you're doing well. And if you're not 100%, I hope within the next couple of days you'll reach 100%. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. We wish nothing but the best for everybody. You get me? Yeah, nothing but the best for everyone. You understand? Yeah, man. No joke about it. This big old tree right here. Look like they burn it and all of that, you know? Yeah. Because them big tree there, you know, when they're ready to spread them roots, you know, guys. Especially if them in your yard, you know, man. Oh my gosh. Trust me. Then we crack up your house and all these things, you understand? Yeah. That will happen. Crack up your place and them things there, you get me? Yeah, man. So I guess that's why them try to kill the tree, you know? Cutting it down and burning it. Just to make sure, say, it no come back and, you know, spread its roots again. Yeah. So we're just taking our time going in now. Yeah, we're not really in a rush, you know, we just a cruise and try to maintain the speed limit, each and every one of the limit them along the roadway here. Sometimes it's 50, sometimes it goes up to about 80. You know, I guess it depends on how built up the place is. Yeah. And then you have a little section further out, close to the Spanish Town side where the cops them take set, you know. They're probably not out there, but that's a feed them ends out there, so you see me? Yeah man, a feed them ends out there, so man. Big unit up on the road, man. Yeah. So out of that section, I know it's called Church Pen. Yeah, in a whole Harbour. Yeah man, Church Pen. Taxi man, them just drive down. You know for them style, them drive intimidated. You know them drive and them if you make your brake and then them go some boom and squeeze out. You understand? Yeah. I saw them drive. I don't know why and I don't know if it make them any richer. I'm not sure. I don't know if you make them richer, you know. I'm on the road there, you know, people, like if you take a taxi on the road, yeah, trust me. You have to be brave. Because them want to deal with some quick trip. Yeah, I saw them work. Yeah, them want to do some quick trip. Quick trip from Old Harbour to Spanish Town and from Spanish Town back to Old Harbour. Yeah, 10 and 15 minutes them want to take people. I tell you now, whether traffic or no traffic. So them program, you get me? Yeah. So them program people.
When are they pan so much?
Alright, so right is the name Gutters, alright? Yeah, it's a little square like, you know, taxi park has to carry you to different sections, you know? Yeah, so popular spot. More time people are come and, you know, them Gutters stop driver. Yeah. Yeah man, I say it go man. So it's set up, you know? Yeah. And just in case some persons might not know, Old Harbour actually in the parish of St. Catherine, alright? Yeah. Yeah man. Them say St. Catherine are the biggest parish people, I don't know. May know probably out of it and St. Anne. I don't know. Because hey, St. Anne kinda big too, you know, people, because sometimes you go some place around one part, you know, and the people them tell you say, yeah, this is St. Anne. You know, you go up on all the border St. Anne and Trelawney, some part where you go, I tell you no people, so I don't know out of this are St. Anne, which one of them actually bigger still, but two of them huge. They're huge parishes, trust me. just come like it's a black factory. Whole heap of nice I make over there. And a whole heap of land, as you can see, the people, whole heap of land. So, trust me, remember them already built Portmore in a St. Catherine, the people, and Portmore big enough, because Portmore is the largest residential settlement in the Caribbean, you know. And when you check how much land they right, so alright, so to my right, you have land as well, you know, behind these houses, because the highway is to my right. You get me? And you have a good size land stretch all the way go back out to Spanish Town. You know, nice piece of land same way. You know, so space there and space up on my left right, so you can only imagine people if them really put houses and, you know, commercial properties and them thing, the commercial buildings and them thing there. Just me, a whole heap of space still left in a St. Catherine, you get me? And St. Catherine come like the go-to parish. Why? Because it close to Kingston. As you know, Spanish Town there, Portmore there, and them places. And you know Kingston are the capital of Jamaica. So you get me? So St. Catherine now people are basically, you know, them try to have houses and, you know, residential community. Yeah, all same way. So if you can get the people them who work in a Kingston to live close to Kingston, you know that good. You get me? Because Kingston, as you know, well populated. You don't really have much space in a Kingston for really do no new housing development. You understand? So St. Catherine are like the next place. You get me? And a whole heap of land, as you can see, people. I mean, the trees them there, but trust me looking between it and kind of seeing all the way out, a whole heap of land, people. Whole heap of land. You can just only imagine whenever them land have become occupied, you know? Yeah. You can just only imagine, people. Enough time, a lot of persons comment and say me for drive a little bit slow and them something there. Alright, I'm gonna try, alright? I'll try. But you know something, you can't go too slow, you know. Because I write this at 80 miles per hour. I can't drive like 20. I mean, I can, but you know, you're not supposed to really drive a certain speed below the limit either. You know, because if it's a road of traffic a flow like this, you don't really want to hold up traffic and them thing there. To people, this is a taxi. It's a whole lot of a taxi. Yeah, so it pass smooth. And him a go slow, trust me. Him a go slow. I tell you now. Him a go slow. All of them, the red plate them you know, whole lot of a taxi. Red plate a taxi in Jamaica. Alright, so from the right side as I can look, whole heap of land. And as I said, that's over there, so the highway there. A whole heap of land over the people. As me I tell you now. Whole heap. out there a Macook's pen, alright? So that little area over there now, Macook's pen. And sometimes people comment and them and say, yo, you never tell which part you there, you there, you know? But people, let me tell you, I don't know everywhere, you know. And even if I know it, sometimes I don't know the right name. I tell you, no. Sometimes I just know the area. Like you know all the area, like I say. Right after my cook spend man, you know that little part there right there. So, for example, you see me? And sometimes I saw me know the place them as. I don't really know the name them and thing people. You get me? So yeah, I don't everyone I know need that to people. But if me not talk and tell you no, more time you will see it in the top left hand corner of the screen. You get me? Yeah, the name of the place. And sometimes I try because sometimes I even Google the place them. You know, like if I make a drive from where to where, I Google and I zoom in on certain areas, I try to get the name and put it up there. You get me? So I try sometimes people, but I don't know everywhere, alright? And sometimes I can't find the information for everywhere either. Alright? So I just tell you, for the ones that I always have, you know about a little small fire for me? Yeah, I don't know everywhere, alright? I don't know everywhere, people. Yeah, we just have to tell you that. So we almost going to reach in a Spanish town now, you know, people, because we are basically up on Old Harbour Road right now. Yeah. It's a community. That community to the right side is called Jacaranda. Yeah, it's duplexes over there. All duplexes. I think a few townhouses over there, but all of them Ichan people. Them are duplex. You understand? Yeah. But they're small. You know, when them just come out and you go look upon them tell us, oh, starter houses and stuff. You know, it's a gated community and over there is nice. The ambience, everything is really nice and all that. But, I mean, they said the right thing. They're starter houses, you know. Yeah, been over there for a while now, too. You know, been there from like, what, 2013, I think. Probably 2012, the earliest. But, yeah. I mean, between 2012 and 2014, I think, them house the home. So, like, almost 10 years. You know? Yeah. Alright, people. So, what you pre now? We actually, as I said, we are going to Spanish Town, but we're not going to Old Harbour Road. It's a Featherbed lane, alright? So, we actually are going to take it and go around there. So, we are going to one part where them call Fraser's content. That's where we actually heading, guys. You get me? Yeah. So this a Featherbed lane. You know? We are trying to get to John's Road, them place then. Dixon's trucking is actually making a stop. So out there now you find Innswood Village and them place there. You understand? Yeah. That's where you find them place there. Community them, you know? Yeah. Nice community them too, you know, people. Really nice community them. So you see, left here so Innswood, the van block the sign, but yeah, and then you have Civil Meadows 2 on the right so, yeah. Alright, so we catch a little piece of bad road right there, so. Which coming like the norm driving in Jamaica. It's like you expect to see bad road. If you have a van like that man, the van we just run through them rock. You just brrr, gone in a big van, you know? And that alone you have to have in Jamaica right now for the feel now here. Yeah. Alright, so we're pretty much there at the Johns Road intersection right now, people. And we're gonna make a left up here. We actually could have drive straight up the road too, you know, and go around and thing, but feel like more carrying up on the left side. Yeah. Carrying up on the left side, people. Yeah. Look at this traffic could build up. So they know when I come back, I not drive right to say now. Yes, sir. Alright, so we approach, you know, community, Fraser's content. Yeah. Yeah, them also call around as a red shop. Anybody come from around here, educate me and tell me why them call it red shop, see? Me hear some stories, but me don't know how true it be. Somebody say them did have a red shop right there, so we just turn in, so that's why them call it red shop. Very low, it could be, yeah, and soon Valentine, so you see the red and white them out. Yeah. But yeah, somebody say they did have a red shop out there, so that's why they call it red shop. I don't know how true that is. I tell you now. Yeah man, wanna Spanish Town garage to them this, you know? Yeah. No, I think already. Alright, people, music a jump out there, son. Music a jump. Music a jump. I can't take it. Can't take no copyright claim right now, people. Yeah. Alright, people, guess what? What about if we come to the end of the video too, you know, people? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna close off the video right about here as well, because you know a thing go basically reach your destination. Yeah, basically reach your destination, people. So, remember to like, share, subscribe. Also for leave a comment. You know the thing go. 876 by Bert as usual. And I'm out, my people.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.